EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to create an equipment nozzle. First, we are going to change the view mode as to be able to see inside the equipment. We take now the new nozzle command. We select the equipment and complete all nozzle parameters, such as its name, diameter, end code, rating and length. We graphically select the origin point, which will be the cylinder center. The nozzle will be generated with its axis parallel to the current UCS x-axis, and thus we need to rotate it 90 degrees around the local z-axis. We need to move now the nozzle over the vessel's surface, which have a diameter of 500 mm. We can return now to the shade view. Equipment nozzles have the same format as any other piping component.